Especially keep that in mind heading into the Memorial Day weekend. It is next weekend. Already AAA, though, is warning drivers of a very busy travel weekend. So are you prepared to hit the road? Car coach Lauren Fix has what you need to do to get your car vacation ready.
One of the things I recommend is the same thing I recommend to anyone is check your tire pressure. Now that may seem silly, but the truth is it's the only 4 things that touch the ground. And so those tires need to have the proper tire pressure, which is the number inside your driver's door. Every car has a door placard. That's the correct tire pressure for your car. Forget that number. As I always say, never, ever, ever use the number on the tire because that tire can fit on a multitude of cars. So you want to get your best fuel economy, your best handling in the rain, your best braking, and of course, you want to keep the life of the tires because tires are not cheap.
And Lauren, you know, precious cargo you'll be riding along with. You've got your kids, so what should you be thinking about if you've got kids?
Well, first off, you want to make sure that they're entertained. And I always say, we used to listen to all the Harry Potter books, but whatever book or whatever songs they want, create a playlist, use your smart devices so everybody can have a choice of songs and mix up those playlists. Also, make sure to have food. The food on the side of the road is very expensive at those rest stops. So I always stop at the grocery store beforehand and pack things up along with my emergency kit because if you're prepared, not just the car, you know, with having the fluids and everything changed, also bringing fluids and food for your family can keep them occupied. There's lots of apps you can use, like we used to play Punch Bug. They have that now on your iPhone or whatever smart device you have so you're not actually hitting each other.
And Lauren, I think I had a great tip of packing a few ponchos you can get at, you know, CVS, Walgreens, in case you're caught in the rain.